This segment, the first category that we have is dentistry imprinted, which means a dentist who has devoted all his time, efforts and skills into being associated with a publication. He either has published himself or he has been an editor for a minimum of 5 years. To give away the award in this category, may I welcome on stage the ever lovable, huggable Dr. Ajit Shetty, whom we fondly call Anna. Let me also request Mr. Patil, the CEO of Ergoptics. And the award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Dr. Sushant Umre from Delhi. Sushant, a graduate from Government Dental College and Hospital, Mumbai, has been in practice for over 3 decades in Delhi. Not only in practice, but is involved into non-structured and structured teaching. And he has developed an NGO called Smile India. At Smile India, he has involved 3 categories of people and combined them to give the best. Who are these 3 categories? A, we know that the students come out of colleges wanting to know the secrets of clinical practice. The second category is you need teachers who are into clinical practice to teach them. The third is funding. So he has seamlessly blended these 3 segments and runs a very, very popular NGO outfit called Smile India. And we are all so happy for you, Sushant, this evening. Coincidentally, we went to the same class, sat on the same bench during the same years in Government Dental College and Hospital, Mumbai. So it's doubly proud for me this evening. Dr. Sushant Umre. He is the editor of a publication called Dental Practice, a very, very popular journal, Dental Practice, an indexed journal, Dental Practice. Congratulations, Sushant.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Ajay, Mona, Kumar, the whole Whiten team to put such a brilliant show together today. If I have really got this, I feel kuch bhi ho sakta hai, because I don't believe that what I started 10 years back was, I will last couple of issues, and it's 10 years and it's going on, and my publication, Dental Practice, is going places. It goes to South Asian countries, to Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. And we come out of almost 30,000 dentists we managed to cover. I would also like to thank my publisher, Badal Gulati, he's never interfering with whatever we do, what we reject, what we include. And also my teammates in the editorial team like Kumar and other people who are here. And with such a team, it's very easy to do.